Hello, treasures. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Yay! This is December. We're in the last month of the year. We thank God for everything. So, let's start the Christmas season. Let's start the Christmas vlog with this refreshing mixed fruit juice. Yeah, for this juice, I'll be using different fruit. I have watermelon here. I have tangerines. I have orange. I have apples, beetroot, and lemons. So I'll go ahead now to wash all this very well. Prepare them. I'm going to cut them. After washing it, I'm going to peel the oranges, cut the watermelon, the apples, and the rest of them. So keep watching and welcome to December Christmas season. Yes. So yeah, I have washed everything, cut and prepared everything. You can see my bowl here is filled with mixed fruit. I have the watermelons there, the beetroot, the orange, apple, lemon, and the tangerines. So let's start juicing. I'm using juicer for this, but you can also use blender if you don't want to use juicer or if you don't have juicer. Remember, I've taught you how to juice or make juice with blender without adding water to it. Yes, I've taught you that. Check in my previous videos, you will see that, or I will leave the link in my description box below how you can make juice with a blender without adding water to it. If you also want to add water, you can also add a little water to it. It will not spoil the taste. Yep. So after filling the juicer with some of the fruits, I'll put it on and start juicing.
Sunrise paints the kitchen gold. Another day begins, I'm told. Juices line up in a row, ready to make my spirit glow. Got the beets and the pineapple bright, ready to feel alright. Treasure kitchen, magic potion, blended up in slow-mo.
And I'll continue adding the fruits into the juicer until I'm done juicing all the fruits I have in my bowl.
Beetroot, pineapple, a twist, a carrot juice I can't resist. Treasure kitchen. Orange and watermelon too. A rainbow drink that sees me through. Vitamins dance upon my tongue. The day has only just begun. Treasure kitchen. Orange and watermelon too. A rainbow drink that sees me through. Vitamins dance upon my tongue. The day has only just begun. Treasure kitchen, magic potion, blended up in slow motion. Beetroot, pineapple, a twist, a carrot juice I can't resist. Treasure kitchen. Some may say it's just a drink, but health is closer than you think. So raise a glass and make.
Yeah, we are done juicing. This last part is more of tangerine. That's why you have that color. So the next thing I'll do is to mix this together and then we bottle it. Just there and mix the everything together. And then we go ahead and bottle our juice. Simple. I hope you're going to be adding this to the recipes or to the things you're going to prepare for your family this Christmas season.
Good cheer to all the goodness gathered here.
And here we have it. Our mixed fruit juice is ready. We have a mixture of watermelon, apples, beetroot, oranges, tangerines, and the lemon in this. And the taste is very, very amazing. Anybody you offer this will say Thank you so much. So I hope you give this a try. I hope you add this your recipes this season. Thank you all my amazing people for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe if you haven't for more videos coming up this season. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.